Hello everyone, it's Winston here again.
And you know I live
In England, but I also lived in the United States and was privileged to celebrate Thanksgiving Day. Can I tell you a secret? You knew my brother Churchill. Last year we buried turkey bones, but the other day I dug mine up and ate the whole thing without telling my brother. Now, my grandpa Churchill wants to share turkey bones and I ain't got nothing to share with him.
Hi, bro. I dug up my bone. I can't wait to share them together with you. Now let me tell the kids a little bit more about Thanksgiving. In 1620, a small ship called the Mayflower left Plymouth, England. Blah, blah, blah. Let's get to the meat of things and eat the bone. Hey, Winston, put the bone on a plate.
I've got to tell you something, bro. I ate my turkey bone from the last year, so I can't share it with you. But I'd still love to share your turkey bone.
Why should I share my turkey bone with you when you didn't share a piece of your bone with me?
Come on, bro. You know I got hungry. I wasn't thinking. I apologize for not sharing my harvest with you. But my tummy got the best of me.
Thank you for apologizing. But this really hurt my feelings. I need some time alone.
I really made a mistake by not sharing my burn with Churchill. I wonder how I can make it up to him.
Sure, mon petit ange.
Joe Chef Dong Rouge, what are you doing today?
I am about to make some candied yams and marshmallows.
Oh, Churchill loves marshmallows. That's it, Chef Dong Rouge. Do you think we could make some extra candied yams a la marshmallows for me to share with Churchill?
Absolutely not. Get your disposable enaming tray and place the bottom of the tray with margarine or butter. Look up and now can of yams. Take the syrup from the candied yams and put the liquid in a cup. No, the cheap of cooling liquid into a cup. Just the cup. I'm exhausted about this craziness. Let's get the marshmallows carrying. Well, marshmallows have they way accept where they need to be by jalapeno dish. We got a few. Okay, let's move on. We must melt a stick of butter and pour it into a tray of yams. Now, let's get our maple syrup and pour it over the marshmallows and the yams. Bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Make sure the marshmallows are all over on top of the yams. Before you take out the tray of yams, make sure the marshmallows are golden brown. Yummy and right tummy, bon appetit.
Hi Churchill. I'm sorry again for not sharing my turkey bone with you. But Chef Dong Rouge and I just made some candy yams a la marshmallows. I know how much you love marshmallows. Would you like to share this with me?
Oh, Winston, that's so kind. I forgive you for not sharing your bone. And I'd love to share my bone and your candied yams together.
You know, Thanksgiving is about sharing, giving thanks and celebrating the autumn harvest.
Absolutely. After all, what are brothers for if not to share the abundance of the harvest together?